Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to use coins on AliExpress. First up, all you need to do is open your AliExpress. As you can see here, you can do this method either you are using your mobile phone or using your computer. So first up, here on your AliExpress, tap on the account section here at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then here, tap on these coins right here at payments and discounts. So tap on that symbol, and here you will find some options on how you can get more coins from AliExpress. As you can see, daily check-in. So visit every day and earn up to 70 coins. So if I collect this plus 20 coins that I will receive today. So for example, here I have successfully checked in, and then you'll find this message here saying coin discount is now up to 7%. So yeah, with that coin that you get from this daily rewards, you can use that coin to get a discount on selected products that you want to buy. So for example, as you can see here, for example, here on the flashlight. So if we tap on this product here, and then if we scroll down and go right here on discounts and coupons, so as you can see, 7% off in exchange for 20 coins. So the maximum is 170 off in exchange for 300 coins. So the more you get coins, the more you get discount from these AliExpress products. So yeah, that's how you basically earn more coins. How you can get here, as you can see, daily check-in, explore sponsored items, or browse limited offers. So you can try different methods here on how you can earn and get more coins, and so you can get more discount on some products on AliExpress. So yeah, that's how you basically earn coins and use that coin on your AliExpress app. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.